Hi guys, welcome to M&E Property TV channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you about Home Ownership Campaign 2020, all you need to know. You may probably have heard about the Home Ownership Campaign, which was launched in January 2019 and end on the same year in December 2019. Due to the current situation of COVID-19, and government wants to boost the property market again. Therefore, they relaunched the HOC 2020. I think the top reason why the HOC being reintroduced again is to help to strengthen the nation economy again during this tough time. What was the HOC all about? It designed to encourage to increase the home ownership. At the same time, it's also encourage the sales of overhang property in Malaysia property market. What will the home ownership campaign in 2019? Full stamp duty exemption up to 1 million when the applicant successfully purchased the residence property up to 1 million. Besides that, there will be a partial stamp duty exemption up to 2.5 million. I'm going to show you a chart for property at 1 million to 2.5 million, how the chart will explain clearly on the stamp duty below 1 million and up to 2.5 million. You may see from the chart 1 million to 2.5 million, there will be a 3% stamp duty will be imposed. So with this, then you can have a better understand on how the whole thing works. There will be another benefit called loan stamp duty exemption for property up to 2.5 million. You enjoy another 10% discount from the house purchase price under the scheme. I've covered all the benefit of HOC 2019. Now let us move into the benefit of HOC 2020. The HOC this time around is carry the same benefit as the previous. The exemption of the stamp duty will start at 300,000 for the residential property to 2.5 million. The 10% discount provided by the developer will still stay on from 1st of June 2020 until 31st of May in 2021. Exemption on the instrument of transfer is limited to the first 1 million of the property price, while full stamp duty exemptions is given on the loan agreement signed on the SPA between 31st May 2020 to 31st of May 2021. Another good news of stimulating the property sector, individuals are allowed to dispose 3 units of residential property under the same periods. Let me show you the case study without HOC. Assuming the purchase price is 400,000 with 90% loan, upon signing of SPA, we need to pay a 10% down payment, plus stamp duty on loan, plus stamp duty on MOT. Our investment cost will work out at about 50,000. Whereas for HOC case study, you get 10% discount from developer, no stamp duty on loan, no stamp duty on MOT. Total cost saving work out to be about 50,000. What other additional information I need to know about the HOC 2020? First, this campaign is not applicable to a sub-sale or secondary market property. It's only applicable to those developers who register under the HOC scheme. My personal view of the HOC 2020, I strongly believe that with this new campaign come in, it will able to help the property markets. I'm really excited with the HOC reintroduced again. I believe this will benefit to a lot of first-time buyers and also for those property investors that you like to acquire more properties. Please don't miss this chance again. Here with the summary of HOC 2020. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to know more about Malaysia real estate tip, please like my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will get a free video every